Alright, so we got the NA2J picked up, and we're about to do it the easy way, delete the cats. I've already done the front ones. Put it on the manifold off that car. When the manifold's still in this car, I'm gonna video how to take it off here in a second. I'm gonna time lapse it, and here's the other one that's already done. Just cut a little section out, break it up, you know, with a hammer, just fucking pow. Load it back up. Same thing on that one. Nice little square, whatever. She's Gucci. It's a MIG-TIG titanium from Harbor Freight. It's like they're better, probably their better welder they have, and it is on gas. But yeah, I mean, this is just how easy it is. These cars are a lot easier to work on than IS300s, but you can see this one. It's already breaking up. Alright, my fucking battery died. Let's try this again. Just on some catalyst. These cats are starting to come apart because I've been, you know, hitting two-step because I like to get rowdy. We're gonna go ahead and take them out. And then you just get your bar up in here and alright, now that I got all that knocked out, here it is. We're about to take these manifolds off and put the new catless ones in. It's pretty easy. I mean, 4 bolts, and there's 3 bolts down there. Just unplug your sensors. Nothing to that. There's a sensor here, sensor there, and there's one more sensor on the back. And then the last sensor is on the down pipe, the other pipe, or mid pipe if you want to call it that. Yeah. That throttle is so weird. It's like cable and electronic, and there's a thing in here that doesn't let it open up all the way. It can be deleted, but I hear you have to like tune for it, so I don't know about all that. And it's on this like bushing spacer, so the whole thing has like, well, if I don't shake, you can see it. There you go, you can see it. Pretty weird. Can't wait to have a one side intake, the big throttle body, and a turbo. It's gonna be dope. It's probably gonna be loud as shit like this though, so dope. And there you go, it's out. I struggled with it for a second, so I turned off the camera, but I got it out. Just got it hung underneath the damn edge of the transmission over there. Freaking right there, grabs it. Cool, that drop block drain right there, that's pretty cool. Thanks, Toyota. I'll remember that. I need to do an upper oil pan gasket or reseal job on this thing. It's pretty much the only thing that leaks on that, and I broke the damn tab on that while I was yanking on that manifold, so whoops. Nothing serious, it's just like an oops, I broke it, but yeah. Alright, I'm about to drop the other one in here and she'll be ready to go here shortly. Alright, so I just finished up, pulled the cats out, putting the manifolds back on with no cats in them and no secondary cat. So this is gonna be the first startup on the GS with no cats, no mufflers, just a factory blow through resonator.